What do you know about your product?
Everything.
What?
What is it that you want to know?
Well, what is a safety lamp? How are you going to design it? How does it work?
You're asking all the wrong question.
So what's the right question?
That's the right question.
Why?
To understand science, you have to learn to ask why for everything that you see.
Why?
Because even the smallest phenomena can teach you very important things.
Huh. You mean to say, like how falling off an apple taught Newton about gravity?
Yes. And how the falling of this pencil can teach you a few things related to our safety lamp.
Now, as you all know, materials are classified into metals and non-metals. Properly speaking, the terms metal and non-metal refer exclusively to elements, but they are also used in a very layman's sense to include compounds, mixtures, or even alloys. Do you know how many metals are there in the periodic table?
Sir, most elements are metals. 88 elements in the periodic table are metals or metal-like elements.
Brilliant! I must admit that I didn't expect you to know that. We have a brighter set of interns this year than usual. That's great. You're right. Metals account for 2/3 of all elements and about 24% of the mass of our planet. Here in our lab, we are concerned with the properties of these materials. You know, in order to find out what materials will serve our purposes the best.
Properties like what, sir?
See, properties of materials may be studied under two broad areas, physical and chemical.
Fine. Then help me remove CBM from the mine.
CBM?
Coal bed methane, yani ki CBM. See, this gas is trapped inside the earth. A large majority of mine explosions happened due to its leakage. In fact, the Madhyapura explosion was one of those.
Sirji, if it's there in all mines, so how will we protect ourselves?
Well, Mohan, that's why I am here. All of you, can you see this poster? Now, this diagram gives you a general idea of what can be done to keep the mines methane-free.
How can this help us, Sirji?
This will help you to enter the mine, Jagdish. Now, look here. The method to keep methane from leaking is to pump it out. All right? Now, we already have 2 extra pump sets in our factory. We can use them. And these are the places where we can dig long boreholes in our mines.